We're now going to look into the sys module. So sys here stands for system. This module provides functionality and information on the current system running Python. That means your current computer, your current machine. Let's go ahead and import this in. And actually, let's take a look at where its location is in the standard library. It's actually way down here towards the bottom, Python runtime services. So just all sorts of functions and just variables that contain just information about the system that you are running. So one thing that you could do is get the Python version. Let me just put dot and then tab, and you can see all of this functionality here. If you type in version, you will get a string that says what version it is, 3.8.11. That is my current version of Python. You can find out also the executable where Python is located on your machine, like where is that program, and it's sys.executable. So here is my file system. Here's the path, and it is located in this path, and this is the name of the program, Python. So that's where it is. That's where the magic happens, that this one function runs everything else whenever you execute code in Python. All right, so a lot more to the sys module, but a very important one, very popular one, lots of functionality. You will see it used in a lot of programs just because it just allows the programmer to access information about the system that is being run.